Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about another fundamental principle of object-oriented programming called polymorphism, which allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. Let's get started. Let's create a subclass, class, circle, parenthesis, shape, column, new line, def, double underscore, init, double underscore, parenthesis, self, comma, radius, column, new line, self, dot, radius, equal, radius, new line, def, area, parenthesis, self, column, new line, return 3.14 multiplied by self dot radius, double asterisk 2. And let's create another subclass, new line, class, rectangle, parenthesis, shape, column, new line, def, double underscore, init, double underscore, parenthesis, self, comma, width, comma, height, column, new line, self, dot, width, equal, width, new line, self, dot, height, equal, height, new line, def, area, parenthesis, self, column, new line, return, self, dot, width, multiplied by self, dot, height. And let's create the instance of these two objects. Circle equal circle, parenthesis 5. New line, rectangle equal rectangle, parenthesis 2, 3. And let's create also a shape, new line, shape equal shape, parenthesis, new line. Let's combine in a list, shapes equals, square brackets, circle, comma, rectangle, comma, shape. New line, 4, as in shapes, column, new line, print, parenthesis, f string, area, column, curly brackets, s dot area, backslash n, new line, f string, is a shape, column, curly brackets, is instance, parenthesis, s, comma, shape, backslash n, f string, is a circle, column, curly brackets, is instance, parenthesis, s, comma, circle. \n, new line, f string is a rectangle, column, curly brackets, is instance, parenthesis, s, comma, rectangle, \n, and let's run it. And as you can see, every object we instantiated is at least a shape. If it's a subclass, it's also another instance, a circle or a rectangle. So using polymorphism, you can treat all the subclasses as they are the same class. Now let's recap. So in this lesson we learned how to use polymorphism to manage different classes at the same time. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.